Good morning, I'm Dr. Sagarika. Now, can you imagine 18 major operating rooms and 3 minor operating rooms in one hospital in this town? Yes, you may not believe it, but it is true. Today, I'm in GEMS Hospital and I'll take you on a tour of these magnificent and modern operating rooms. And to your surprise, these include 3 laminar flow theatres and 1 robotic operating room. The generous Dr. Bolineni Bhaskar Rao sir observed that from Bhubaneswar to Vizag there was a huge lack of good medical facilities as this was a backward area at that time. So he acquired this hospital in 2014 and converted this hospital into a 1,000-bedded hospital with sophisticated equipments, some imported from other countries. He built a total of 18 major operating rooms, of which 10 are located in Padma Bhushan Dr. Girinath complex. This complex is built in square feet of 9,000 and each operating room has a space of about 550 square feet. These operating rooms were designed in such a way that all the resources and requirements are driven into a single area so that the surgeon's performance is enhanced. Also, the complex was designed and interconnected to the surgical ICU block, which houses 100 beds attached to the OT complex. Patient travels from the OT to the ICU in these sterile corridors and controlled atmosphere, thus minimizing the exposure of germs. All the theatres are equipped with 10 anesthesia stations which come with cutting edge technology, and they are so precise and efficient they meet all the requirements of the anesthetist. The operating rooms are designed in such a way that all the wires, gas pipes, electronics are hidden in the walls and covered by the panels. This way the rooms have no edges for any germs to hide and are also easily sterilized. We talked about having 3 laminar flow theatres. Laminar flow means they are germ-free theatres. Here, the air is filtered in 3 stages using HEPA filters and pure germ-free air is circulated. In a normal conventional operating room, there are only around 15 to 25 per air exchanges per hour. But in laminar flow theatre, there are about 300 air exchanges per hour. This will release pure, clean, germ-free air in cases such as organ transplantations, high-end cardiac surgeries, etc. can be done in clean, sterile, safe zone, leading to better outcome for the patient. We have indigenously developed robotic operating theatre where a robot performs precision guided complex surgeries. Due to this, the robotic surgery patients recover very fast without any complications. All the operating rooms contain LED lights which help the surgeon with better visuals of the operating area. All the OTs are equipped with mechanized tables which can be tilted in any direction so that the patient can be put in various positions for different procedures. The biggest advantage of this OT complex is that each department is assigned a particular operating room. In this way, cross-infections are prevented. Also, the staff working in that particular operating room will gain years of experience in that particular area and will be capable of handling any sort of emergency. The OT complex directly connects to the anesthesia department, where it is housed with professors, associates, assistants, senior residents and postgraduates. With around 45 in-house doctors in the anesthesia department, each OT gets more than 4 board certified doctors and they are supported by another 50 trained OT technicians. With all these people around, everybody trying to learn and think what is best for the patient. It may not happen at others, but it keeps happening in GEMS. In fact, all these personnel will be spending more time here in these operating rooms rather than with their families or friends. This OT complex has a pharmacy where all the medicine supplies, disposables, implants, robotics and surgical accessories are neatly labeled and arranged. So literally, if any emergency pops up in the middle of a surgery, you can get the supply in seconds. We have 3 pass-through box systems where samples are placed for the pathology department. These boxes are designed that air entry doesn't happen during the exchange, leading to zero contamination. Now we are in the 3rd floor, D block, where we have 3 major ophthal OTs, where we have state-of-art microscopes for conducting eye surgeries. This complex is completely isolated from others so to prevent any cross-infections from occurring. Now we are in the 1st floor. Here 2 major theatres are there. One is specifically for gynecology and the other one is for obstetrics. Now we are in the ground floor. Here there are 3 major OTs and 3 minor OTs. Of these, one major OT belongs to the emergency department and two major OTs are located in the D block for emergency surgeries. Apart from this, in ENT, orthopedics and surgery have three minor OTs. When an emergency comes to GEMS, we have the capacity to set up the theatre within a matter of 6 to 8 minutes. Where a scrub nurse comes, somebody is setting up the instruments, the surgeon comes, the anesthetist comes, the technician comes, and everybody who is needed comes there, and all these people work in tandem to do whatever is necessary for that particular patient.
I feel proud to be trained at GEMS. We thank our chairman for providing such world-class facilities in this teaching hospital.
So please remember, when you need to get operated, it is best you are in a good institution with good facilities like GEMS. It is a good hospital. It is wise to choose a teaching hospital like GEMS, wherein all the research and advanced technologies are up in the game. Always remember, GEMS is strategically placed that in any emergency, you can reach the hospital in 4 hours from any corner of the district. Please subscribe and share. Thank you.